Hi guys, so I have very hard water where I live and I thought I'd try and find a solution for this. I came across this product online, which is the AquaHomeGroup shower filter. It has very good reviews online, so I thought why not give it a try. So it claims to do a lot of things. It removes chlorine, heavy metals, pesticides and all those nasty things from the water, and these are all the things that are included. We'll get about 12 to 16 months of water use from these two cartridges, which is great. So let's have a look what's inside. So here's the cartridge, which isn't too big. So these rings are just spare parts in case you need to replace them at any point. And then these are shower caps. So if you're not washing your hair, you can use this to cover your hair and use it as a shower cap. And we also have an extra cartridge in here. And we have some instructions. So we're just going to remove the filter, which is inside of here. And we're going to start by giving it a good wash so it flushes out the extra carbon. So we're going to rinse it for about 20 seconds on each side. So I've managed to wrap this bit in the tape, done about 4 or 5 layers. You can always add more or take some off if it's too tight. So looking at your shower, you want to find the main part where your water supply is coming from, and we're going to attach the filter between these two bits. So we're just going to undo this. And then we're going to grab our filter and we're going to attach it to the bottom. You want to make sure that you screw it properly all the way because the water will leak. Okay, and we're going to screw the other end back on. So this is what the final setup looks like. And we're just going to grab the shower quickly and give it a test.